Hey friends, welcome back. And today I have a very different idea for you that is about black and gold bedroom decor ideas. Black and gold, when combined in a bedroom decor, create an atmosphere of opulence or and timeless beauty. This color palette brings together the boldness of black and richness of gold to transform any bedroom into a space that exudes elegance and sophistication. So in this video, we will explore a range of black and gold bedroom decor ideas that will inspire you to create a stunning and luxurious sanctuary. Number 1. Accent wall and accessories. Start by painting one wall in a rich black hue to serve as a striking backdrop. This instantly adds depth and drama to the room. Complement the black wall with golden accents such as a gilded mirror, picture frames, or decorative items. Adding a gold-framed artwork or a sparkling chandelier can further enhance the glamorous ambience. Number 2. Luxurious bedding. Choose bedding that combines black and gold elements for a lavish touch. Opt for a black satin or a velvet duvet cover with gold embroidered details or a gold damask pattern. Enhance the look with plush black and gold throw pillows and a fox fur or velvet bed runner in a complementary shade. This combination creates a sumptuous and inviting focal point in the room. Number 3. Metallic accents and furniture. Incorporate metallic gold elements into the bedroom to add a touch of glamour. Consider golden drawer handles, lamp bases, or decorative items. Additionally, you can introduce a gold-framed full-length mirror or a gold-accented dressing table to elevate the overall aesthetic. The interplay between the metallic gold and accent and black backdrop creates a captivating visual contrast. Artwork and wall decor. Adorn the walls with black and gold artwork or wall decor to complete the bedroom's elegant look. Opt for framed prints or painting that incorporate these colors, whether in abstract designs, landscapes, or geometric patterns. Alternatively, consider hanging a large ornate gold-framed mirror to create a sense of grandeur and amplify the reflective qualities of the space. So, black and gold bedroom exudes a sense of sophistication and luxury. By incorporating black as a dominant color and infusing gold accents throughout the room, you can achieve a harmonious balance of elegance and drama. From accent walls and accessories to luxury bedding, metallic accents and furniture, statement lighting, and carefully choosing artwork, these ideas will help you transform your bed into a captivating sanctuary that radiates opulence and timeless beauty. So this is all about today's video. I hope you like it. Subscribe.